Right there. Want to try that big one?
Here, pick one to open. Pick out a gift. You want, okay, well, pick it up. Open it. Oh, can you open it? Open it.
Let me help you.
Let me help you. Here. Open it. It's yours. Open it. Rip it up. Rip the paper off. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. What is that? Rip it. Oh, what is that? Is that a monkey? What is that?
Monkey George.
It is George. Monkey George. Is that a movie for you to watch? Yeah. Well, let's see what else you got. Okay, well, let's see. What else do you have? Look, pick another one. Get another one. That's for Daddy. Yeah, that's Daddy's gift. Here. Open this one. That's Daddy's gift. Daddy needs to open that one.
Can I have it?
Help Daddy. Help Daddy open his gift. Here. Open this one. Open this one.
I guess he's opening for me. That's okay.